Diamagnetic materials are those material that are freely magnetized when placed in the magnetic field. However, the magnetization is in the direction of opposite to that of the magnetic field. The magnetism that is shown by this material is known as a diamagnetism. We can relate to the diamagnetic material in our daily lives. If you think of substance that are non-magnetic, this includes substance like the wood, water, some plastic and few metals as well. In simple terms, diamagnetic materials are substance that are usually repelled by a magnetic field. Electron in atom revolve around the nucleus, thus possess the orbital angular momentum. The resultant magnetic momentum in an atom of diamagnetic material is 0. In diamagnetic material, there are no atomic dipoles due to the pairing between the electrons. When an external magnetic field applied, dipoles are induced in the diamagnetic material in such a way that induced dipoles oppose the external magnetic field according to the Lenz law, and also that you can also see that thus all the material whose atom contain paired electron show diamagnetic properties. There are no atomic dipole in diamagnetic material because the resultant magnetic moment of each atom is 0 due to the paired electron. Diamagnetic materials are repelled by a magnet. The substances are weakly repelled by the field. So, in a non-uniform field, the substances have a tendency to move from a stronger to weaker part of the external magnetic field. You can see the image of the diagram, the relationship between the magnetic intensity and magnetic field. The intensity of magnetization is very small and negative and proportional to the magnetic field. Magnetic susceptibility is small and negative. The relative permeability is slightly less than unity. These materials are independent of temperature. Diamagnetic materials do not obey the Curie law. The diamagnetic material, this magnetic dipole moment is small and opposite to the magnetic field H. The origin of diamagnetism is the induced dipole moment due to change in the orbital motion of electron and atom by the applied field. A diamagnetic liquid in a U-tube deposed in a limb which is between the poles of magnet. The diamagnetic material, if a diamagnetic liquid is placed in the watch glass, placed on two polar pieces which are quite close to each other, then liquid accumulate at side and show the depression in the middle where the field is strongest. If the diamagnetic material, if a liquid is placed on a watch glass placed over two poles pieces were sufficiently apart, it is like a more than previous gas, then liquid accumulate in the middle where the field is weakest. Superconductor with diamagnetic. Superconductors are basically strong diamagnetic material that accept a volume susceptibility of equal to -1. It is a dimensionless. They obey perfect diamagnetic screening and it can be considered perfect diamagnet as they tend to expel all magnetic field. Diamagnetic material example. Some of the most common example of diamagnetic substance are copper, zinc, bismuth, silver, gold, antimony, marble, water, glass, sodium chloride. You can see in the tabular column material and susceptibility. It is based on SI unit. Superconductor equal to minus 105 into 10 power minus 5. Bismuth minus 16.6. Mercury minus 2.9. Silver minus 2.6. Carbon minus 2.1. Lead minus 1.8. Carbon minus 1.6. It's like a carbide. Copper minus 1.0. water 0.91. Frog in the diamagnetic field. You can see the image of the diagram. A frog is levitated in a 15 Tesla magnetic field. The levitation force is exerted in a diamagnetic water molecule in the frog body. This is the best known example of diamagnetism.